Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it, and then let's scroll down a little bit to find the wallpapers and style. Of course, if you will open this section for the very first time, you will have to give all the permissions your device needs, and then you can simply tap on the wallpaper section. And as you can see, we will be transferred to the section where we can pick the wallpapers from. So we've got the albums, inventive wallpapers, I believe, and the carousel wallpapers. Of course, if you want to, you can use one of those options, and under it we've got two different albums. So we've got live wallpapers, which are animated ones, and here static ones. And I think I will pick something from those options, and as you can see, after tapping on the name of the album, we will be transferred to available wallpapers from which you can choose. And basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it. So let me pick this one. As you can see, after tapping, you will see it on the full screen. You can also change the wallpaper right here, so you don't have to go back to the previous section to check other wallpapers. And basically, if you like the wallpaper you've just chosen, simply tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so it can be on the lock screen or both, so the home and lock screens, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And now a quick disclaimer before we will check if our device applied the wallpaper. Here we've got the wallpaper colors, so we can apply them to the system, which simply means that your device will take the colors from the wallpaper and apply them to the switchers, for example, to the buttons, etc., which is quite cool option. So let me quickly tap on go, and here we have to tap on wallpaper colors. As you can see, they are taken from my wallpaper. We can pick some pre-installed kind of, or we can custom it. So okay, so just got it. Let's tap on the custom, and as you can see, our device will take 4 different colors from the wallpaper. You can change them just by changing the position of those circles. You can decide which color you want to use. So let me pick something maybe like that. I think I like this one also. So just tap on OK, and as you can see here, we've got our custom options. So if you like it, you can just go back and it will be applied. Let's go back to the homepage to check, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.